guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another cleaning video because I need to clean my house and the kids aren't here, so it's the perfect time to clean the house and get it all done. Like you guys can see, I have clothing on my couch, I have to broom, I have to mop, and I have my little cozy hat because I'm kind of cold. And yeah, so let's jump right in to the cleaning. I am going to just be doing speed cleaning because I know you guys don't want to hear me talking this whole video, so let's go. Okay, so we got the mood going. I turned on a candle. This is what is this? Scentwork Pineapple Passion. Somebody gave this to us. We got candle going, and now we're getting to action. Get the little smell going. Get our cleaning continued. So I wasn't sure if you guys wanted to hear me or not, but I kind of like talking while I clean, I guess. So I'm going to kind of talk to you while I clean. So I did my pillows, I cleaned, pulling out on the couch. And cleaned up their little table because they eat on here every now and then when I let them. And the baby touches all the chairs everywhere. So I cleaned the chair, picked up their toys, and broomed. I wanted to do a deep clean on my couch, and right there is when I just realized that I didn't deep clean the couch and it needed a cleaning. So to start over again, found some old socks and stuff in there that were missing. So yeah, I was never gonna find them. They were in the couch, and I just stand up on it so all the little crumbs that go all the way towards the back will come down with my weight. That is my thought process behind that. I move the couch, make sure I get everything under it, behind it. And then I went over to clean my dining table, and I cleaned everything off of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed these kind of videos. I do post cleaning videos every now and then. So if you guys like those videos, subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. Like. And comment down below. See you guys in the next video. I know it was kind of short, but short and sweet is what we like. And bye guys.